Greetings from Sri Shakthi International School. Here in this video, I'm going to show one interesting application called ooo4KIDS. It's specially for kids who is having the age group of 7, 8, and they can also utilize the documents writer and calculations using the Excel sheet, like Excel, but not it is exactly Excel. It's a spreadsheet only, and drawing part and database creation, everything will be there, presentation, everything will be there. But in this video, I'm going to show, this is the introduction of ooo4KIDS application home page. First one is they are given us an option as writer. Second one is draw something. We can have something like drawing, like MS Paint. And third one is a presentation, and fourth is a calc sheet, and fifth one is a document, open document. Wherever we are saving the document, we can open. So I'm going to show in this video only about the text with writer. I'm just clicking the double. We can see the home screen of the text document. Here, this is a text document. The white space is called as a work area, and here lot of things are available. Tools usually we are having the first one is called as a title bar, which contains the title of this document, and second one is lot of menus are available. This is called as a menu bar, and the third one is having a small tiny icon, shortcut of icons, a tool icon. This is called as a toolbar. And also each and every time we are don't want to go to the menus and taking the options, instead of that we can go with the shortcut of the tools. Okay, now in this video I'm going to show a simple concept called text formatting. Here I'm typing something. I'm typing Shakthi International School. Okay, everyone can see. I'm just selecting this text what I have typed, and here I'm going here. Lot of font styles are available here. I'm taking some of the font style here, Verdana, and I'm going with this. This is called font, reducing the font size, and this is increasing the font size. I'm just increasing the font size, right? Here also we are having B. This is a bold tool icon. This is called shortcut of bold icon. Just clicking, you can see the difference. See, without bold and with bold. See, this is a difference, bold icon. And I'm having a one more tool called Underline Tool. See, you can see the underline. You can see the underline in the downside of this text. And the final one is the italic. See, italic is slightly, the text is slanting here. Normally, it is in straight. See, when we are clicking the italic, it's going here. So, here we are having the option to change the font style. Algerian now I'm taking. And we are having an option called changing size of the font. It may be increasing or decreasing the font size, and we are having the bold option, underline, and italic. These are all the options when we are applying inside the text. Then it is called as a text formatting, because we are doing some formation to the text what we are typing in the document. So this is the introduction of ooo4KIDS document writer with very small usage of text formatting. And upcoming video I will show a lot of options are available how we can play in our documents. Thank you, children.